Hi, today we're talking about what documents you must file to start the divorce process in court. To start your divorce case, you must file these documents in court and pay applicable filing fees. Number one, there's a document called the Writ of Divorce, the Statement of Claim, and the Statement of Particulars. The Statement of Claim must specify and state on which reason, for example, adultery, unreasonable behaviour, separation of 3 or 4 years, that you are relying on to ask the court to give you the divorce. In the Statement of Particulars, you must give details of the fact that you are relying on the reasons. Number two, there's the proposed parenting plan, and if your children are below 21 years of age, you must file an agreed parenting plan if you and your spouse, also known as the defendant, have managed to agree on the care arrangements for your children after the divorce. Number three, there's also the proposed matrimonial property plan if there is an HDB flat to be divided between you and your spouse. You must file an agreed matrimonial property plan if you've managed to agree on what to do with the HDB flat after the divorce. Number four, there's also the acknowledgement of service. And number five, the Memorandum of Service. After filing these documents, you need to serve them, to deliver them on your spouse, who will be known as the defendant in the case. And this is to notify him that you've started the divorce case in court. You must serve the sealed copies in one of these ways. For example, by personal service, meaning that the documents must be given to your spouse directly by someone authorized to do so, such as a court process server, or by registered post to the defendant's address, but only if your spouse signs and returns the acknowledgement of service to you. Or you can do so by the integrated electronic litigation system known as e-litigation, which is an online system on your spouse's lawyer if he or she is represented by a lawyer, but only if the lawyer indicates on the documents that he or she is willing to accept the service or the delivery of the documents on behalf of your spouse. So there you have it, some very basic information on what documents must be filed if you want to start the divorce process in court. Thanks for watching.